Introducing Swann Xtreem security camera. It's a wireless camera with extremely long battery life. It features stunning 1080p Full HD video in a compact and durable design. It's the perfect solution for anyone looking for smart, easy, affordable, and long-lasting surveillance. It's completely wireless surveillance that integrates seamlessly with your Wi-Fi network. Just charge the camera, join your Wi-Fi network, then pair it with the Swann Security app for easy live viewing, recording, playback, push notifications, and more. Equipped with Swann's TrueDetect, warm moving objects such as people, cars, and large animals trigger video recording and push notifications straight to you. Secure it with the magnetic base to watch over any area from any angle, indoors or out. The weatherproof design is built to withstand rain, snow, and heat. Best of all, Xtreem's rechargeable lithium batteries last up to 6 months before needing recharging, so you can set and forget for longer. Sleep comfortably knowing the Xtreem security camera is looking out for you. It can even see in the dark up to 26 feet, 8 meters, with powerful infrared night vision that kicks in automatically. Have a presence at your home with two-way audio, giving you peace of mind while you're away. You can check in on loved ones in need of care, communicate with delivery people remotely, even scare off intruders from your phone. Enjoy the simplicity of voice commands with Alexa and Hey Google integration to see what's happening hands-free.
Hey Google, show me the front door.
It's compatible with IFTTT, if this, then that, so you can use it to trigger actions from other IFTTT compatible devices to integrate seamlessly into your smart home. There's free storage under the microSD card, plus cloud backup. Expand your security by adding more Wi-Fi cameras and multi-camera wired Swann surveillance systems, and manage them all using the Swann Security app. With extremely long battery life for extra convenience, let Swann's Xtreem security camera keep an eye on your family and property. It's security made smarter from Swann.